Indian government's draconian policies have led to the unabated human rights violations in occupied Kashmir, with the Kashmiris facing systematic discrimination, marginalization, and brutal suppression. Occupied territory has been turned into the world's largest militarized zone, with the killings, torture, and arbitrary detentions becoming the norm. Indian troops launched cordon and search operations in different areas of the Jammu region. Indian army troops, along with the paramilitary forces personnel, launched the operations in different areas of the Jammu, Doda, Riasi, and Udhampur districts. Meeting of the US-based Kashmiri diaspora was held to discuss organizing a peaceful protest in the United States on 5th August 2024, marking the anniversary of the abrogation of Articles 370 and 35A by the Indian government in 2019. The decision was widely condemned by the global Kashmiri diaspora and the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Condemnation of making the Lieutenant Governor of occupied Kashmir all-powerful by Narendra Modi-led Indian government continues to pour in, with the Communist Party of India Marxist leader Mohammad Yusuf Tariqami being the latest to join the chorus. Talking to media persons in Srinagar, Tariqami termed the Indian government's amendments to the so-called Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, delegating almost all powers to the Lieutenant Governor as yet another assault on the already diminished rights of the Kashmiris. Presidential house was damaged in a cloudburst in Dorushabad area of the Islamabad district. The Amarnath Yatra has crossed 3 lakh mark as the pilgrims continue to visit the naturally formed ice lingam at the cave shrine in the South Kashmir. On Sunday alone, 14,974 pilgrims performed the yatra, taking the total number to 3,09,957.